Hi all, welcome to Data Ad Hoc YouTube channel, and for today's stream number 86 we will try to see similar website which is for tracking. In stream number 80 we have seen vessel data tracking, vessel ship, vessel tracking, but for this today's session we will check for flights or airlines tracking system which is available freely, and of course we can track from that as well. So recently I have seen this uh, post on Twitter. From flight radar 24, and these are very interesting that we can identify like which flights are going on which direction in real time. So that seems very interesting. So I tried to check that also. Few uh, in real time where are what are different features it has, like GPS jamming. Since currently Iran and Israel there is a war going on, so we can find real-time evidence like how it's affect regular day-to-day flight or aviation traffic, so we can see that as well. So it was very interesting to find that this is particular website is available freely, and it, uh, like real-time incidents we can identify. So I checked this flight radar 24 website, and their motto is like live air traffic, so we can identify live air traffic. If you go through, so this is just not stationary. You can see that flights are changing seconds by seconds or minutes by minutes. You can identify that as well. Not every second, but after few seconds you can see the variations in their traffic as well. So first thing is that we cannot remove ads for but if you want to remove ads, then we need to take subscription. Then here they have details like most traffic flights, then most tracked flights, uh, like how many users are tracking this particular flight. You can see that 2153, also UAE 306 tracking getting tracked by 1416 individuals at time. So these are like descending manner. We can see that most tracked flight and airport disruptions New York, uh, and here we have I think disruption index. So okay, most tracked flights, see top 10 flights or other flight radar 24 users are following right now, and airport disruption is something that see top 10 for most cancellation and longest delays. So if there is a green disruption index is like good traffic flow, 2.2 to 3.4 it's minor problems with some delays or few cancellation, 3.5 to 5.0 most major problems with longer delays and several cancelled flights. So these are disruption index they have. So for New York we can see that uh, problems and delays, it is from arrival, and for like departure those index are provided. Jayapura, then by Kelumna. So also have this keyword available for like every airport. Jayapura, Sentani Airport, then Moscow International Airport. Also they have separate disruption map. I will open that, we will check later. We can also bookmark, and they have 7-day free trial version for that, so you can check or track any flight and keep it as bookmark, so you can refer it later as well. So you can bookmark aircraft, flight, airport, locations as well. Statistics, so they have data sources available like ADSB, space based ADSB, views, Google. I'm not sure what is it. Let's try to check that. So this is something actual statistics we have available from Flight Radar 24. So number of flights. So we can see that number in Jan, Feb. So for each day, what is the number of flight changes during like from 2021 to 2023 to 2025? So different time frame, same length, like same day, what is the variation for flights, number of flights? So we can see that for 2021 there are around 126,999 flights, 7-day moving average. But in 2025 like 7-day moving average is 184,638, so we can see that drastically increase. Also 2025 number of flights is now 205, so it's for January. And we can see that this 2025 is just reached here 20th June. So uh, they will keep tracking like what is the how that particular number or different uh, like number of flights for uh, 2025 as well. So we have seen that for 20, for each year they have like different color code. If you move through if you hover of mouse, then you can see the changes in chart. So it's for blue now. So we can say that it's kind of like pattern we see for 14 June, 17 June. It's a regular pattern for 2025, but we can see that for 2025 it's very like irregularity, we can see that for 2025. But for 2021 till 2024, we can see that it's going in smooth direction. But for 2025 there are a lot of disruption up and downs for flight numbers. Number of commercial flight tracked by Flight Radar 2024 per day UTC time. So still same pattern we see here, uh, like this is same version, but it's mainly specifically for commercial flight. Okay, click and drag plot area to zoom in. Okay, now we can see the more details. Reset zoom. By clicking legend under each chart, you can toggle the graph for better visibility. Okay. You can if you click on legend, then you will get specific line only, so you can have better uh, uh, view as well. So I have selected this area. Now we can see that in detail from that particular area which I have selected. There is a lag. Click the hamburger menu to download the graph as CSV or image. Okay, we can download graph as PNG image or PDF image, which you can ultimately share. Also can download CSV file as well. You can print chart, fill screen. Okay, now I am keeping all the legends. Okay, so it's not about irregularity, it's about like uh, if I remove number of flights for each year and keep 7-day moving average, then we can see the graph which is clearly for 2025. We can see that there is a decrease between Feb to March, but later increases there. So we can see that the number of flights are like start of the year, uh, like till March, till middle of Feb, it's going down, but later the number of flights are increasing again. We can see the decrease around November, but later it resumes, but overall count is increase. There is sharp increase between uh, like 2022 to 23, and yeah, but there is we can't see the major increase in 2025, but the number it is for 7-day moving average, and for number of flights we can say the same pattern. For there is a seems irregularity, so that's my bad. So I couldn't understand properly because I thought it was something different. So it's for like 30th July, 29th July. Why there is a change? Maybe because flights who reach to airport they tracked, or flights who are uh, in air they track the number of flights. Maybe because of there is a difference. Exit from full view. It's overall it's good chart. See analysis how. Okay, so it's for like there another chart for like COVID-19 and flight radar. There is a business data services they have. Okay, let's see that as well, since we are interested in data service configuration data on flight position data. They have flight number, registration, speed. They also check speed as well, track latitude, longitude, aircraft type, call sign, altitude, origin and destination. So it seems they have end-to-end data from its departure to like mm, arrival for that destination, and historic data files also they have. So live data feeds they have, uh, event types, cruise, landed, diverting, diverted, so those signs are also available. So if you are working with if you are have business, or if you have interest in this data which is very seems commercial, then you can contact them as well for this valuable data. Now out of 15,408 800 4,828 are tracked with their statistics. Blog post. Okay, so the recent news, it's available in their blog post, so details you can see that. Also, what you observe with this post is that this visualization is that there are clear gaps in map, like western of North Africa. Also we can see the gap, sorry, uh, South America's north region. We can see the gap between over the Tibet, which is of course uh, due to its high altitude area, and also this particular area for, like, it seems Amazon forest area. And this area is currently where war going on between Iran and Israel. So that area is now not uh, fly fly by any aircraft. So I think there are only missiles going as of now, and this area is where Ukraine Russia war going on. And also we can see that there are lesser air traffic over the uh, Africa region, and also there is almost nil air traffic over the North Russia part. Now let's try to check the legend. You can zoom out, zoom in. Also we can show additional full screen, hide top bar. Okay, for that we need to take subscription, limited number of features. Okay, also here we have center user location. If I am at this place, and if I click on that like center user place, then that region will zoom in, and we can see that my centers, my location relates my location surroundings location surrounding area details with like airport, flights, and all details. We can see that. I'm not sure like what is this, because earlier I tried to check the Wow airport. If you zoom in this particular sign, it seems related to cargo or kind of thing. Yeah, it's moving. It's very real time location. We can see that. So it seems it's very interesting to see that. It seems related to cargo, and they are tracking that as well. Maybe some business entity try to uh, trying to track those part, like it's one time it's available, it's on board in air traffic, then after arrival of that flight, how that particular cargo getting travel in land, that is also I think they are tracking with this one. We can see the real time moving of that cargo. I'm saying cargo because it seems I'm sure that it's cargo only. Okay, so now we have map multi-select. Okay, you can select multiple types of detail on same map. And for map default, you can select you will have default legends available. Now they have this different types of data or airports. Okay, so once you click on this part, you will redirect to their data set where by uh, country you can see that different number of, like, for that particular country how many airports are there. If you click on this, then you will get to know, like, different for that country, uh, different airport details you can see that, and ratings also available there. So if you click on this, then you will see all details for airport, what is the structure, and what are the arrival and departure. So it seems live details you have, and it's totally on ground, how many flights are there, reviews. I am human only. Okay, I maybe do that. I have multiple uh, tabs open with flight radar 24 because of that. Routes, direction. So they have like all data available related to flight radar. I previously I thought used to thought that this data they have, like, one of the maybe they have created with the details available from table, and they just created visualization this part, but it seems very useful data and real data they have. Weather condition statistics. Mm, okay. Number of scheduled departure per day last 30 days, track flight. So this dark blue region are not tracked, but most of the part is tracked only. So I think once you click on every part of this like data, you will redirect to their related section. So here is for airline. So same data available for, like, each and every one, like different commercial, government, airlines details you can see that. For this 9 air you can have 27 aircraft, and I think this is related to their origin country. Okay, 21 air. for most of the air airlines list, we don't see any data. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, so few obvious one, popular one airlines, we can see that data. They also have review my flight radar 24 ratings of airline based on reviews from my users that have traveled with this airline. Okay, so we can see that you can before booking tickets, you can see that how that particular airlines have overall score from this one. So you can go through like aircraft, also flights. Okay, you need to search flight origin, destination, and those details will be available. You can pin flight search, flight tracking statistics, which is similar one. Airport disruption map. Okay, it is specifically for airport, and we can see that earlier we have seen good traffic flow, minor problems, and major problem. So you can identify with this one. We can see that New York, they have disruption index, some problems. Birmingham, Birmingham airport, they have some issues, major problems. We can see that. So those details are available. And this is Kathmandu airport, also have some minor problems. And also we can see that for each airport, how many cancelled flight percentage, number and count and percentage also mentioned here, and average delay, flight radar 20 disruption index is also there. So you can also check this one. GPS jamming map. So this is very interesting feature they have. So wherever there is a GPS jamming created by government or particular group, so those details are available. Jamming is something that from which affect the air traffic, so they cannot operate through that region properly. About the data, message include the position information from global navigation satellite, and it is not possible to direct measure GNSS interference. So I think it's related to uh, flight, they how they track different flights, but do we calculate the message? So it is very technical term, but what for my layman's understanding, it is related to how clearly we can identify that any a, any airplane is in that particular direction or not. So to identify that, this particular uh, like jamming is not required. If jamming is there, then uh, that identification is not proper. So we can check that as well with this one. And also if we click on we can see that historical data as well. So each day we can see the difference. Okay, so it's from 20th June, we can see the previous one. Okay, now we can see the how on daily basis this uh, jamming is updated. You can have more details with this like help facts they have provided. Coverage overview, these are their services. You can have aviation photos. So for each type of aviation or flights, you can have these photos, the how many stars received or comments or views they have. So those also you can see that. Logbook, you can log. So it's kind of like having personal diary for details with bookmarks. Okay, once you click on this, those legends will disappear. Okay, now let's try to check this one. Okay, so if you want to track any flight, then you need to click on the any flight which is you required. You can search from here as well. AFL 1429, AFL 1429. Okay, here is the detail. You can see that flight history for that flight with all details available. Also, if you want to check details on that only, so you just need to click on that and you will see the all details like where it is originated, where it's going, and schedule time, actual time, then estimated time, arrival time. So you can see that as well. So we can see that this particular this line where from which it's going to that place. So it's related to Kada. Hurghada airport. It's from Egypt. Okay, so you can see that. Also, if you zoom, you can see those details like airport details as well. Photo not available. Let's try to check well-known one. This particular flight is just recently started, so we can see that real time how it's navigating through like sky, and there is a curve. We can see that. What is this? So this is the airport details. We have plus few photos. They have good advertising revenue system. So here they have ad wherever there is a possible, they have placed ad. Okay, they also take support from like uh, freelancer or a volunteer to improve data. Okay, so they also have users details or uh, users who fly, frequent flyers. For this premium subscription required. So okay, so we the major thing from this that you can track flight, you can track your cargo, air cargo, that as well. So these are social media accounts they have. What is on YouTube? So
Final approach is clear.
Let's confirm cabin secure.
Enjoy your flight. We'll see you. That's okay.
Start here to see what's waiting for you. Aviation behind the scene. So they have aviation related details, or how the flights or different airports works. So those details are available in blog style, I think. And if you are have interest in flight or aviation field, then this YouTube channel you can check for sure. Uh, this flight is seems very north side, and it's originated actually from Tokyo, and it's going to London. It seems very curve route it's going through, but on map it's look curve, but actually it's straight in real world. So those some fascinating view we can see here. I'm not sure what are these. So it's I think it's signal they receive, and frequency, like at it is historical data at that time, where that flight was at which position. So it is also tracked from this one. It's from New York, it's going to Seoul, like South Korea. And we don't have flights near to this region. Sydney to Santiago. Santiago to Sydney. Okay. We don't see, they had not highlighted different types like government or commercial passenger flights or cargo flights. But if you have details, then you can go through. Here we can see some circles which are not look different. What is this? Aircraft photo not available. It must be related to government or military part. Okay. We can see that route at least, and it's again going okay, yeah. What is that? It's originated somewhere here, and is it balloon, aviation balloon or kind of thing? Oh, we can see helicopter as well with this one. Okay. So they have different for helicopter and flights. Okay. So it was a very good session for me, and I tried to understand how different flights we can visualize in real time, and how those data available at Flight Radar 24 portal. So that's it for today for stream number 86. Let's meet next time with another interesting data topic. Thank you.